my channel, welcome to a new video, and this is the look I'll be doing for you guys today in collaboration with Kharah Jay here on YouTube. I will leave her video linked down in the description box below. We decided to go with the theme Wearable Glam. Yes, so that's why I went with a gloss, because not a lot of people will be comfortable with color on the eyes and color on the lips. So guys, remember to hit that subscribe button down below and leave a comment, and remember to head over to Kharah's channel. I'll leave the link in the description box below. So if you're interested in this look, just keep on watching. For the first and a long night, I did my brows before the rest of my makeup. So this is going to be a full face video, a full face of makeup tutorial. Time to start off with the eyes. I'm going to first prime my lids with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Fair, and this is just your white concealer. So I'm going to go into the Warrior 2 by Julius, and I'm taking this shade here, and I'll be using my Morphe M441 brush. I feel like I'm going to smoke out the outer V and the crease, so I'm going to take the burgundy shade. Well, actually I decided to go in with the charcoal grey, so I'm using this and this one. Actually decided to take the charcoal and brown, the same colors I have in my crease, these two, and I'm going to pad that in. I'm going to take this shadow here and put that in the inner corner of the cup crease. The next color I'm going to go in with is the pink from Lauralee Los Angeles Party Animal, and it's this one here. I'm just going to use a little bit of this pink. Final color after that is the purple here from ColourPop. Start with my foundation. First, I'm going to go in with the Mario Badescu facial spray. Then I'm going to go in with my Cover FX blurring primer. The foundation I'm going in with is a new foundation on my channel. I've used this foundation like 3 times now and I am in love with it. This is the Palladio Build and Blend Foundation Drops, and you can get this for all my Jamaicans. You can get this locally. It is sold at Face Forward, and that is in the Orchid Village Plaza on Barbican. It's right across from the Burger King in Legany, same plaza that Peter Grill is in. To highlight, and I'll be using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Amanda. I feel like adding some more concealer, so I'm going in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Infallible Pro Matte Powder. I live for this powder. I don't use anything else. And while this foundation does not need setting, just for extra security, I'm going to put a little powder. To contour my face, I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion, and I'm using this powder. For glow, I'll be using two products. I'll be using the Sheila X Color Pop in the shade Pose, as well as the NARS Orgasm Illuminator. The next step is lips, and I got this lip paint in my BoxyCharm. It's called Flaming. It's called Flaming Hot, and I thought it would go perfectly with the eyes. So I'm just going to add this gloss. This video, as I said in the beginning, this is a collab with Kharah. Thank you so much for collabing with me. Her video link will be down in the description box below. Guys, remember to go over to her channel and check it out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this collab. I hope you enjoyed the video. So guys, I decided to do a gloss so it can be like a wearable glam. Like if I went with a dark purple lip, now a lot of people will be comfortable with it. So like I will focus on the eyes with the cut crease and the different shadows. I figured it would be best to use like a shimmery gloss, and this lip paint from Tarte is so pretty. I wish you guys could see the blue specks that's in it. So it does give you a hint of pink and purple on camera, but in person, like, there are little blue specks and purple specks in it that really reflect well with the light. So this is the final look. It's a glowy skin wearable glam. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for your support, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.